Hello everyone, what's up? How are you guys? So, this is the biggest achievement of my channel so far, and I'm really thankful to each and everyone who have ever subscribed to my channel or watched my videos. So, today I reached 10,000 subscribers, and that's the greatest achievement of my YouTube career because I am not a professional YouTuber. I just started this channel. Just I wanted to share some videos how I work. Then I started getting response from you guys that it is people are responding to my videos. They're learning. They're commenting how they want videos. So I started making videos to teach you guys, and I'm not a very good teacher, but I'm just trying as much as possible for me to explain something that I learned from watching others work, watching other tutorials. And here in this channel you will get all about t-shirt designs, each and everything you want to learn about t-shirt design. I hope you will find that in this channel. So for celebrating this 10,000 subscriber, I'm going to show you guys how to start from this channel. So this is my channel. You have to come to this playlist category, and here I have added two other videos, like two other playlists that you can see. One is this typography t-shirt design, another is advanced t-shirt design. So in this typography t-shirt design, you will find in this playlist you will find all about typography designs, different designs that I made in different times. And then of course you will find some good tips and tricks about font and some glitter works. You can see font license or everything that I work with typography. So if you are a beginner designer, if you are starting t-shirt design as a designer or starting your career, then you have to complete this playlist first, because if your font selection, your font sense is good, then your design will look better. And if you skip this font selection, if you want to just work with vectors, then trust me, you will end up being a not very good designer, because typography is the base of t-shirt design. So first step is you have to complete this typography playlist, and once it is done you get the basic idea how fonts work, where to find them, how to modify them, something like that. Then you have to go to this advanced playlist. So this is all about advanced vector works. So in this one you will learn all about vector modifying, especially the transparency trick. You will find that video here, and all the videos that I made with vectors. You will find the 500 vector pack that I shared this video. It will help you understand the transparency process and all about vector designs here in this playlist. So first step is you have to complete this typography playlist, then you have to complete this advanced t-shirt design playlist. That will help you understand the designing process, and also you can follow any playlist you want. So this is the Photoshop playlist. You can also follow this if you are interested in making designs with Photoshops. Then of course here is another playlist that is okay. You can see t-shirt design tips and tricks. Okay, one more thing that I wanted to, t-shirt design in Illustrator. So in this one you will get probably all of my videos in this playlist. But if you are a beginner, and I get these questions too oftenly that where to start, so start with this one, this typography playlist, then go for this advanced. At least make 50 designs from this playlist, practice them, do not upload them anywhere, just practice them, then go for vectorworks. So I hope that will help you guys understand this process or this designing phase that we face as a new designer, where to find quotes, where to find fonts. That's you will get help from this playlist, and then go for this vectorworks. So that's it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to thank each and everyone for supporting my channel, for supporting my this journey with YouTube, and the journey of teaching some of you guys. I am not a very good English speaker. I am not a very good designer. I just know something that I do regularly, like every day, and I am trying to teach them, so that you can work with me, you can work like me, you can work on different projects on different marketplace like Fiverr, Upwork. So one more thing that I wanted to share in this video, that this channel is particularly made for teaching you designs, not how to sell them on print on demand. And most of the time this will help you make designs for different clients. Like if you want to work on Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer, like different freelancing marketplaces, then my videos will help you. If you want to do advanced print on demand, then to be honest, my channel is not very much helpful for print on demands, because I only focus on teaching designs or learning designs. So in from this channel you will learn different new tricks and how to apply them in different designs, but not how to sell a design on print on demand. So this is one thing that I wanted to clarify. If you are looking for advanced print on demand guide, then there are different YouTube channels on different categories. You can follow them. You can buy my works from here. This is my Creative Fabrica link. So you will be able to buy whatever designs I am making on this channel. You will be able to buy their source files with PNG images to upload on different print on demand websites, and that's it. That will help you guys. So, and also you can follow me on Instagram. I'm not very regular there, but I do post some designs regularly here. So this is my Instagram. You will be able to follow me here. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you will keep supporting me. God bless everyone. See you in the next video, guys. Have a great time. Thank you everyone. Thank you again.